Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I want to show you how to use Face ID with a mask. To use Face ID with a mask, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's go to my settings on here. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. So once you get to Face ID and passcode, just tap on the Face ID and passcode. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on the Face ID and passcode, it will ask you to put in your iPhone passcode. So let's put in that. So once you put in your iPhone passcode, it will load up this page for you. To now set up the Face ID with a mask, what you have to do here, you have to look for where it says set up an alternative appearance. So you just want to tap on that set up an alternative appearance. Once you tap on it, it will take you to where you have to put in your face with a mask or with any alternative face you want to use, and just follow the on-screen instructions being given to you. Just follow it and you set it up easily. So guys, this is how you can actually set up your Face ID with a mask, or you can actually set up an alternative face for your Face ID. So guys, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.